In this tutorial we will show you how to install a device. To allow measurement heads or Flexi cameras to operate within video gauge, they first need to be installed. Each Imetrum product is shipped with an installer USB. If you purchased your software installer alongside a product, such as a Mobius measurement head, this installation would have been done for you. You only need to carry out this installation if you add new products to your system, or update your version of video gauge. In this example, we will install a new Mobius measurement head. Firstly, ensure video gauge is closed. Connect the device installer USB flash drive that came with the product. Navigate to the USB flash drive and open the Setup Files folder. Double-click the Setup Applications file, relevant to your product, and follow the on-screen prompts. When you next open video gauge, the new product is installed and can be used to make measurements. If you are installing a Flexi camera, you will need to manually add the pixel size. To do this, ensure the camera is connected to the system controller, and navigate to the Camera Configuration tab on the right. Select Manual Setup. Then, Sensor. In the pixel size field, enter the appropriate value. A list of these can be found in the accompanying guide to this tutorial. Once you select OK, the value is saved and does not need entering again. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Further training videos and information can be found by accessing the Imetrum support portal using the above address. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us by raising a support ticket.